Hello folks, I hope you're all doing great. In this short video I'm gonna show you how to buy BNB Binance coin on your Binance account. Some notes about BNB Binance coin. Try to have always BNB in your account, in your Binance account. BNB is the base currency for Binance. When you have BNB in your account, you will get 20% discount on paying trading fees with BNB. You can avoid lots of other fees. You can use it to store value. BNB has lots of other advantages since you are using Binance platform. You can use BNB as a collateral for crypto assets based loans, and also you can use BNB to easily invest on Binance and platform. These are the things that Binance earned and is taking. I will make another video about that. And on Binance, BNB is paired with all the small currencies, so you don't need to trade cross trading, which is basically small currencies doesn't have pair with all the other currencies. So on Binance platform, BNB is paired with all of them. You can use BNB to invest and get return, as more people are using Binance platform, so BNB itself will grow in value. So there are many ways that you can buy BNB. You can buy directly bank deposit, credit card or debit card, P2P trading. Well, actually the best way is to first deposit directly from your bank account. In that way you will pay low fee, and if you use your credit card or debit card, then there is a credit card fee. In a previous video I have explained that how to transfer direct deposit from your bank to your Binance account. You can watch that one. In here what I do is I go to market, and also you can use the Binance Convert to simply convert a specific currency to any cryptocurrency you want. For example, I have maximum, I have 100 Australian dollar for now, and I can just convert it to BNB. Here it is, preview conversion, and you can see that you will receive this amount of BNB. What I do here is I go to spot to use. You can use the advanced options here. Well, it's not that complicated. For now, what you want to buy is in here you want to buy BNB. You can select any fiat currency, Australian dollar, BNB. We are at the limit order, so this is the current market price that you want. If you buy at the market order, this is the price that you can buy it at the moment. And these are the people who want to buy at the lower price, and these are the people who want to buy who want to sell it. So this is the current price, but you can specify is, so you want to buy it lower, and the amount you can specify here how much BNB you want to buy, 1, 2, or any amount. And also you can use this feature here, which basically says like 25% of your fiat currency which you have in your account, which I have $100, 25% of 100 Australian dollar become this amount, and if I use 50%, then it will be this much. So what I do is I want to buy some BNB, like at this price specifically. So my order will be placed somewhere here, yeah, and I can buy it, or I just can buy it at the market order, and 50%. Simply just you can click buy, and you're buying BNB just like that. Submitted exchange market, buy order, and yeah, you have BNB in your account. And just like that, now you can go back to your account. Let's go to dashboard and see what you have here. You can see that I have $52 of Australian dollar, my fiat currency, and I have this amount 0.11 BNB. Show you how to buy Ethereum on Binance. For now I have some BNBs, some USDT Tether, and also I have some Australian dollar fiat currency in my account. In previous videos I have explained how to transfer money from your bank account to your Binance account. You can watch that one, and also I have explained how to buy BNB. So you can watch those videos. Always remember to keep BNB in your account so you can avoid extra fees. What I do here is I want to buy some Ethereum. What you can do is just you can go to CoinMarketCap or any other platform to check Ethereum, any cryptocurrency that we want to buy. You can see here this is the number 2 on top cryptocurrencies, and you can see all the details, the charts, and how is it going. So before buying any cryptocurrency, before trading, make sure to do your analysis. What I do is I just go to my Binance account, and there are many ways to buy it. Like you can, the way I'm buying it, I just go to trade and spot, go here and search for Ethereum vs what? Vs Australian dollar, which I have, which is my fiat currency. And yeah, so here it is. These are the prices that people want to buy, and they are bidding on it, and these are the prices that people want to sell at these prices, and this is the market price. What I do is, of course, you can buy it. This is spot, and you can buy it. You can place a limit order, or you can buy at the market order. So I want to buy at the market order. It's simple, and I have how much I want, this amount of Australian dollar I have in my account, and I want to buy all of them each. So what I do is just I click and click buy, order execute it, and yeah, what you can do is you can go back to your wallet, or let me go to my dashboard. In here you can see that I have Ethereum, this amount of it, and I have some BNB, and I have a small amount of Australian dollar, and I have USDT. Yeah, it was all, and thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Every now and then I'm uploading a video related to cryptocurrencies and trading. I'm sure you're gonna find them extremely useful. Alright, have a lovely day, and bye.